हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम पढ़ेंगे फ्लड प्लेन्स, नेचुरल लीव्स एंड पॉइंट बार्स। पहले तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना। डिपोजिशन डेवलप्स अ फ्लड प्लेन इज अ मेजर लैंडफॉर्म ऑफ रिवर composition. Large size material are deposited first when stream's channel breaks into a gentle slope. Thus, sand, slate, clay are carried by relatively slow-moving water in a gentler channel, usually found in plants and deposited over the bed, and when water spill over the banks during flooding above the bed. Now, river bed made of river deposit its active floodplain. Inactive floodplain above banks basically contain two types of deposits, which are flood deposits and channel deposits. In plain channels, shifts laterally and changes their course occasionally, leaving cut-off courses which gets filled up gradually. The flood deposits of spilled water carry a relatively finer materials like silt and clay. The flood plains in a delta are called delta plains. Now, what are natural leaves? Are formed along banks of large rivers. They are low, linear, and parallel ridges of course deposit along banks of rivers, quite often cut into individual mounds. Now, points bar are also known as meanders bar, found off concave side of meanders of large river and are sediments deposit in linear fashion by flowing water along the bank. So you can see these are point bars and these are natural leaves and these are flood plains. So don't forget to subscribe my channel.